warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Doing great, Papa ini.
And you, guys? Thank you. Okay, so before we start our class, please only read a prayer.
Okay, everyone. Let's start with basmalah.
Thank you, Olive. Okay, Miss will check the attendance who are absent today. Jian, Ozan, Rifa, Okay, guys. So the last meeting we learned about the daily activities. Do you still remember what is the daily activities? Or can you give me some example of daily activities?
Sweeping.
Sweeping the floor. Yes.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Going to school.
Going to school.
Take a bath.
Take a bath. Okay. So today we will going on to daily activities again, but we will learn from the two stories. There are the local story and western story. Does anyone know what is the local story or western story? No? Do you? Okay, so the local story is meaning cerita rakyat. Okay, do you know? Yes. And western story is cerita barat or maybe cerita dari luar negeri. And Miss have to have stories Purbasari Purbararan from the local story and Cinderella from the western story. Does anyone know where comes a story Purbasari Purbararan? Indonesia, yes. Especially in the Sunda, yes. The West Java. And the Cinderella where come from? Semarang? No. England. Especially in the France, yeah? Yes, okay. So, okay, Miss will maybe any volunteer to come here to read the story, or Miss will choose some of you. Okay, please, Sylvie, please come in front of class and please read a story.
Purbasari and Purbararan. Anja upon ati Once upon a time, there lived the royal sisters Purbararan and Purbasari. Every morning, Purbararan checked her appearance and observed the servants around. She spent her day dressing up and walking in her palace. But she never helped anyone. Purbasari was different. She woke up early to clean the garden, feed the animals, and prepare breakfast for tea. She always did her daily activities quietly and patiently. One day, Purbararan became jealous and sent Purbasari to the forest. The Purbasari continued her simple routine. She collects fruits, cooks meals, washes her clothes in the river, and talks to the animals. She met Lutung Kasarum, a black monkey, who helps her gather wood and find food every afternoon. Their peaceful days made Purbasari grow kinder and more beautiful. When Purbararan visits, she was shocked to see Purbasari looking happier. After several challenges, Purbasari prevailed, and Lutung Kasarum became a handsome prince. Purbararan apologized and Purbasari returned to the palace, resuming her daily life and harrowing on the set. Caring for the king.
Okay, thank you, Sylvie. Give applause for Sylvie. Wait. Please choose your friends to come here to read the story.
Sarwa. Ia selalu melakukan kegiatan sehari-harinya dengan ramah berjalan. Suatu hari, karena iri hati, Putbalarang mengusir Purbasari ke hutan. Di sana, Purbasari tetap menjalani rutinitas sederhana, mengumpulkan buah, memasak, mencuci baju di sungai, dan berbicara dengan hewan-hewan di sekitarnya. Ia bertemu Lutung Pasarung, seekor lutung hitam yang membantunya setiap sore untuk mencari kayu dan makanan. Dari yang damai itu membuat Purbasari semakin baik hati dan cantik. Ketika Putbalarang datang, ia terkejut melihat Purbasari lebih bahagia setelah beberapa tantangan. Purbasari menang dan Lutung Pasarung berubah menjadi pangeran tampan. Putbalarang pun meminta maaf. Purbasari kembali ke istana dan melanjutkan kegiatan sehariannya dengan membantu orang dan menjaga kerajaan.
Oke, give applause for Salwa. Thank you, Salwa. Okay, guys. So, what you get information from the stories, or the daily activities from the stories? Yes. Okay. What's to Purbasari usually? She woke up early to clean the garden, feed animals, and prepare breakfast for the king. And also she collect fruits, cook meals, wash her clothes in the river, and talk to
Animal.
the animal. What is the animal in the story? Lutung Kasarung. What's the animal? Lutung Kasarung? Monkey. Yes. The monkey. Okay. So what's a moral value of the stories?
We always kindness.
Yes. Kindness. Patience.
Yes, and then always always be kind to everything and every animal.
Okay, thank you for Rahma. Okay, so the next is Cinderella. I will choose Lina. Please come here and read a story. No, please.
Cinderella was a kind girl who lived with her stepmother and stepsister. Every day she woke up early to clean the house, sweep the floor, wash the dishes, cook breakfast, and feed the animals. Her stepsister did nothing but boss her around. One day, the king invited all the girls to a royal ball. While her stepsister prepared their dresses, Cinderella continued her chorus, like sweeping the yard and helping in the kitchen. After they left, Cinderella cried and her very good mother appeared. She helped Cinderella go to the ball, where she danced with the prince until midnight. When the magic ended, Cinderella returned home and continued her daily routine the next morning. The prince then came with clay slipper and it fit her perfectly. Cinderella married the prince and lived happily ever after.
Okay, thank you. Lina. Give applause for Lina. Lina, please choose one.
After
Yeah, Abdul. Please come and
Okay, Miss.
read the story.
This one, Miss?
yes,
Oke. Suatu hari, raja mengundang semua gadis ke pesta dansa. Saat saudara tirinya sibuk memilih gaun, Cinderella tetap mengerjakan pekerjaannya seperti menyapu halaman dan membantu di dapur. Setelah mereka pergi, Cinderella menangis dan ibu peri datang membantunya pergi ke pesta. Ia menarik dengan pangeran sampai tengah malam. Ketika sihir hilang, Cinderella pulang dan keesokan harinya kembali ke rutinitasnya. Pangeran kemudian datang membawa sepatu kaca dan ketika Cinderella mencobanya, sepatu itu pas. Cinderella pun menikah dengan pangeran dan hidup bahagia selamanya.
Okay, thank you. Nah, it seems like the Professor Ibarara, what Cinderella usually do? Clean the house, yes. Anything else? Walk up, yes. Feed the animals. Helping in cook breakfast and wash the dishes. Okay, so after you read the stories, what's the moral of the story?
Yeah, don't be afraid of her. Just afraid. Just afraid, and then you can fight the bullying from your stepsister.
Okay, give a applause for Cinderella. Okay, so guys, it's time to play games. So I will divide you to several groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is group 1. This is group 2. And this is group 3, group 4, group 5. Okay? So the rules that you must to make a bell as a signal to answer the question. For example, the bell is thank you or maybe anything you want. Yes, that's right. Okay. Okay, please make a bell. What's the bell group 1? Okay guys, so Miss will show you a question and you must to answer as quickly as you can, okay? You must say you're the player.
Let's go.
Okay. I'll count to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Green, what is the picture? Green. Take a bath. Yay! Take a break also. Okay, let's 1, 2, activity is start.
Go.
Okay. Stories Purbasari, Purbarara, and Cinderella. And the next question is, please write 3 sentences about your daily activities. Okay, before we close the class, please say hello.